Oh my God, look at all the pressure there. Where I'm going, where's my camera? What?
Serviced in the 16th of the 8th, 18. Unit block reserved the 16th of the 2nd, 22.
22? Oh, so they have been in here then? Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah, well, it's well looked after. Yeah. That's what I mean, they should actually use it, but they obviously don't use it anymore. How much do you reckon one of these would cost? A Gulf ship. How much do you reckon? I think it's priceless to you. Oh wow.
Sewage treatment plant, this is.
Sewage?
Yeah.
Ew. Nice. It's what you want, innit? I'm just following Brady. You have to excuse me a minute. You know, he's just like, he's on a mission. What's that? Last cleaned and inspected. What's that? 25th of the 10th. 16. What? 16. 21st of the 5th. 16. That's a bit weird. Huh? Oh my God. Look at that. Pressure thing there. On the wall. Oh my God. You'd be here forever. Imagine working this though. You wouldn't know which one to press, would you? Really? Oh my God, it goes up again.
It goes back to it again.
Is it?
It goes down.
Ooh. Spooky. Oh my God. Isn't it just? It is nuts. My nose is running everywhere. It's running out my nose. Oh, sugar. That? No. Oh, wow. Which wire would you just want to press on that? Imagine oil in this. Can you oil such and such and such and such a nut? Which one? The big one or the little one? The big one? Yeah, the big one will do, yeah. Alright. Alright there. Jesus. I'll have that one, yeah. I know. Hey, this has still got pressure on this, you know. The needle's on 50. Oops, dearie me. Brady's going for a baiting. God, it just goes on and on and on. I know, yeah. Well, it's one of them, innit? Oh dear, there's a camera right there. Did you see it? And I've just looked right into it.
That?
There, yeah.
What, where? That?
There, yeah. It's got a camera in it.
Hi.
Do you want to pull a Mooney? I'm only joking. Infrared. It's not on. Okay, another.
Right,
How do you know?
we need to lift down.
Well, they've got keys and everywhere. Wonder if you... Yeah, I'll work on this station, turn this, turn that. That goes back up again.
That's escaping. I don't want to escape yet.
Don't we?
We've come this far.
I know, yeah. I know.
Been here like
You've been here 2 hours, 3 hours. Is it?
2 hours now, 3 hours.
And I think I've only done about an hour footage, which you can't hardly see anyway because it's dark. But yeah.
There's.
Where? Yeah, I said that before, you know.
Here.
Oh, which one? Ah, to go down. God, they're skinny scares, aren't they? You know, size of the ship, like. They're skinny. If you were fat, you wouldn't be here, would you? You get stuck. wow. Where are we now? I know we're in the engine room. What's this? Let's have a look if I can read this. And there's the lever for main audio separator. Oh wow. Heater separation, discharge or active or alarm. There you go. Here's that one. Oh, Scott's in here, look. Did you see him? He's everywhere. Scott. All right, Scott. All right there, Scott. All right. I'm from Tipton. I know you are. It's just like abandoned ship. Hang on a minute, which way? Oh my God. What? Stops. CPU vacuum. What? Control switches. I'm just doing a matty, you know, looking at all the controls and yeah. It's the only thing I can actually focus on, what's actually got light. I'll have to use, oh, I wonder what that does. It's like in the floor, steering wheel to steer the boat. I don't think so, do you? Imagine them, oh, there's loads of them on the floor. Be careful you don't trip. Oh my God. It's just huge. Oh dear. You know what? If I ever get into Airback properly, remind me to get a bit fitter before I come up with Brady. It's just like, whoa, where's he gone now? You don't need to be sorry, you're used to it, I'm not. It's my fault being lazy. Where are we? Yeah. I want one. I want a boat. I want a boat. I want a ship. I want it. I want it now. Don't like it. This is nuts. It's like, which way? Which one do you press? Which one do you turn? Does it carry on? Does it go down again? It must go down again somewhere. Well, I can. I'll just go sideways. What? This is a Grinnell cylinder. Grinnell HP air cylinder. And Brady's gone all the way down there. Look, there he is. Hello. Hello. Oh, I see what you mean, yeah. I didn't see the big hole. Oh, it's the oil, isn't it? Okay. I don't think I can with me bag, you know. Hang on. Whoops, there you go, over one latch. I got it. I'm on it. Tank. Whatever that says, yeah. Oh, somebody's left the gloves. Whoops. Nearly. Yeah. It's also like filling the tank thing here on the floor. Rubber gloves. Yeah. God. There you go, stairs, is it? Can you get down there? Hey. Right, I'll be back in a minute, guys. I'm just gonna wash my head on this bar here. Like Brady done a nice crack on his head before.